Now we're going to look at how to access the homework. Again, I am on the main announcements page. I'm going to go to Course Map, begin here, and under week 0, you have some orientation homework problems to do. And it says to do this homework, you have to click on all homeworks buttons on the left. So on the left at the very bottom, you click on all homeworks. For the orientation homework, that's the only way to get to it. And then you click on orientation homework. And there are about 9 questions, and you just walk through each one and make sure you get it correct. You must score 100% on this orientation homework. So that's for week 0. That's before the course even begins. Let's go to week 1, where the actual math starts happening. It says watch videos and do homework by clicking this link. So I click homework, and notice the due dates are on there. So due dates, remember, were Wednesdays and Saturdays. So we have 2 sections that are chapter 1 review homework, and the rest of them are chapter 2 homework that are due by Saturday. So you don't have to wait until the due date. You can work ahead. As long as it's before the due date, 11:59 p.m., you're good to go. So let's say I want to click on chapter 1 homework. It says before you work on any attempts of this, you must do the following: syllabus search quiz. So I have not taken that yet. I have to go do something about this so I can access this. You will have taken that by the time you get here. Okay, we're going to try this again. So notice chapter 1 homework for me right now doesn't have a little flag. There's no prerequisite required, whereas chapter 2 is. And if you put your cursor over it, it says you must score at least 100% on the syllabus search quiz before working on any remaining attempts. So most of the assignments will have restrictions like this. You will have had to do something before that assignment to get there. So for right now, let's say you've done the syllabus search quiz and you can click on chapter 1 review part 1 homework. None of the questions are clickable because you have not watched the videos yet. On the left are all the videos that are clickable. So you click on video lecture. It's 17 minutes and it'll play.
Hi, I'm Patty.
So you sit through that and you watch it. And you take notes. Once you go through all the videos and activities, so these are videos and these are activities that have that icon next to them. Once you do all of them, then the questions become clickable and you're able to start doing the homework. So make sure you watch these and you take notes just like you would in a regular classroom. I click on question 1. And it says select the answer that best completes the given statement. The factors of a prime number are itself and 1. You click on final check. And it says, yes, you're correct, done. The minute you get it correct, you're going to get a green check mark next to the problem. Then you can go on to the next one. For the other ones, let's say you get it wrong. Let's say I click quotients and I say final check. It says it's incorrect, and it gives you some explanation, and then you get a red X next to it. You can try again. You can keep trying 3 times, and after 3 times you can click on similar exercise. It'll give you another option. So you can keep doing this until you get 100% on the homework. So you keep doing that, and your goal should be to get green check marks all the way through. So the chapter 1 review has a lot of questions because it is assumed that coming into the course you already know the material for chapter 1. So you can keep arraying across, and it looks like it has 77 questions. So you go through each one and you submit your answer. And you save at the end, and even if you don't, it should save it, but to be safe, you should always click save. Some of the other options you have is help me solve this. Assign media is all the videos you watched. Help me solve this walks you through this problem, and you just keep filling them in as it walks you through it. If it helps you solve it, you'll get the problem wrong, and then you will say try again, and the next problem it gives you, you'll do it on your own and get it correct. So help me solve walks you through it, but after that you have to do another one on your own to get it correct. View an example just shows you an example of how this problem is done. So you could do that, view an example and then do the problem. But don't rely on it too much. Make sure you watch the videos and take notes, because if you mimic this constantly, you won't really learn anything. You'll just know how to do the problem by mimicking. Video and textbook just launches the video and the textbook. If you try everything and you still have a question, you can click on Ask My Instructor. It'll send me the problem. You will have to explain to me what you tried and why you're still getting it wrong so that I can explain it to you. So that's how you access the homework, by clicking on the homework link or at the bottom all homeworks, and then making sure you do all the assigned media before you actually are able to click the problems.